What's the difference between these two sentences? You don't have to come tomorrow. You mustn't come tomorrow. Most learners of English think they mean the same thing. Do they? By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use modals of obligation in English. So let's get started. Modals of obligation can be divided into 4 groups. First, obligation is both must and have to. The second is no obligation, and this is don't have to only. Mustn't's negative means something completely different. It is prohibition, meaning you're not allowed or you can't do something. Finally, should and shouldn't are also different. They're used for advice. Let's take a look more specifically at each. Must and have to mean almost the same thing. I must finish this report. I have to finish this report. Mean it is necessary for me to do that action. Don't have to means no obligation. This means it's not necessary. If I say you don't have to come to school tomorrow, it means it's not necessary. It's okay if you come to school, but it's not necessary. Mustn't is very different. Mustn't means that it is prohibited. You cannot do this. You mustn't walk on the grass. Means it's not allowed. You mustn't eat in the classroom. Means that no eating is allowed. Should and shouldn't are quite different. Should and shouldn't are used to give advice. They're softer or weaker than have to and must. For example, you might say to a friend, you should study a little harder. You shouldn't drink so much. This is mild advice, your opinion. It is not strong. It is not necessary. These are the key differences between the different modals of obligation. Let's look at some exercises. Number 1. I'm always tired. What should I do? I should exercise more. It's advice. Number 2. Which sentence matches this sign best? You mustn't take photos. Number 3. Tomorrow's meeting is optional. Which sentence matches best? Correct. You don't have to come. This is not an obligation. Number 4. Your boss says you are required to finish the report today. Which sentence is best? You have to finish the report today. Let's return to our original question. You don't have to come tomorrow. You mustn't come tomorrow. You don't have to come means it's okay, it's your choice. If you come, that's good, and if you don't come, that's okay too. However, you mustn't come tomorrow means please do not come. Okay, thank you very much for your time today. I hope this was helpful for you, and please come back to us again soon.